How to quickly add the site. You go to add new site, create a new site, continue, enter the e-commerce site, enter the local site domain, say continue, check the default, say continue, add the WordPress username and WordPress password and the email. Then add site. So the local WP is installing the setups and some of the dependencies, starting up site services. Installing now, installing WordPress, adding WordPress. There you go. The website has been installed. As you can see, WordPress is nice. You can go to admin page. You can see. You can log in. That is the dashboard of the website, and that is the eShop. So we go ahead now and install the theme we want to use, and the theme we want to use is called Astra. So you go to add new, then you can search the theme. It's called Astra. There you go, we have the theme, and then you click install. So the theme is going to install. There you go, and then click activate to activate the theme. And there you go. After you installed, you go to the Astra settings, Astra dashboard, and you can see it's a very nice theme with so many features. As you can see, it's a very nice theme with so many features. So what you need to do, you go to starter templates, and then you click install and activate. So it's going to install and activate some of the templates that you can use to start your e-commerce website. So we need to install and being activated. That is done. There you go, and now you can build your e-commerce website or your website. So click build now, and here you are going to get 3 sets of editors you can use. So we are going to use Elementor editor. You have Broken Editor, Beef Builder, Elementor. So these are some of the builders you see in a WordPress. So we are going to use Elementor builder. And then we are building an e-commerce website. So we are going to click e-commerce to get a template for e-commerce. And there are so many templates for e-commerce, and you're going to choose this one. So you can change your settings here, the logo, the width, but you are going to skip for now. Skip and continue. The default colors, you can change them here, but we are going to continue. And here you fill your details, and you agree with any things you want here, and then you submit. So the template will install the required themes, plugins, and the forms. Install the required themes, plugins, and the forms. Now the Elementor is being activated. And now it is activating a WooCommerce plugin. Remember, this is an open source e-commerce platform that we are going to use to create our e-commerce. So these are some of the plugins being activated now, some of the plugins. This is a checkout plugin. Another very important plugin, WooCommerce or cart abandonment recovery plugin being activated. WP forms being activated. Those are some forms you can add in your e-commerce. It's now importing the content. The media, the text, the post. It's now setting up a customizer settings and the site settings. Importing site options. And then it is done. There you are. You have successfully installed an e-commerce template, and you can refresh your site now to see how it looks like. And here you can go back to your dashboard and check your dashboard and the component it has installed. There you are. You have a full featured e-commerce website. There you are. And you can click any products. For example, this one, you can add to cart. You can see how it looks like. You can add to cart. You can view the cart, and you can actually check out. There you are. You can actually be able to check out your product. As you can see, there is no payment method added to place the order. I'm going to show you how to go about it. So you can see very beautiful e-commerce website, and you can customize this website to fit your needs. So if you go back to the admin dashboard, here you can see some of the plugins, themes that has been installed. The WooCommerce free open source e-commerce website. You can go to the settings and change the settings you want. Like for example, the payment gateway I've seen you can add more, or you can actually customize the one already added, like cash on delivery. You can make the settings and then you save the changes so that your customer can be able to check out. You can go to home and set up the wizard or change your store name to your store name. Fill in all the details there to fit your need. So this form is a base or as a template for you to start now building your own e-commerce website. You can see those are all the settings, some of the plugins. You can check your orders. If somebody make an order, your products, you can click here, delete the default orders that have been added by the theme and add your own products here. You can see here, you can add your own products and you customize the way you want it. All these attributes, you can change all these attributes. There you are. Thank you. See you in the next video.